Hi, I'm Alexander, and this is going to be about buying aged domains. So here we are in video 2 on buying aged domains. And the first video I went over the free method that was fairly time consuming for how you can value a domain, look at all their links, determine the page ranks of the links pointing into the domains. You can refer to video 1 for the free method. This way I'm going to show you how using this tool called Market Samurai. And I'm in a new project here, so I'm just going to go in with my keyword, and I'm just going to put any keyword here, age domains, so I can actually I better just put domains in here and create the project. And now the thing I want to do is SEO competition. That's a very cool module. I've got to go down to the bottom right of my screen here, click on the Add Custom URLs button, and then I'm going to paste in the site that we were looking at in video 1, InnoPhone Lab, which is supposedly a PR4. I'm going to type in that, and then I'm also, it's very important to look at the non-www. You want to look at the www and the non-www versions. And then I just add URLs. Now it is bringing back a whole bunch of data for me. You see how fast that brought it back. It's telling me the domain is 3 years old as far as Google is concerned. The Google bot found it 3 years ago. Showing a page rank of 4 whenever the last page rank update was done. Index count, which means the number of pages that are indexed within Google, is 3, which is good. Backlinks 40 to the page, and this is the www version up on this first line. So we'll bring it back over here. 39 to the domain, and then you can see the non-www version doesn't have any of the links. So unfortunately it's not listed in DMOZ or Yahoo. And so that brought back a ton of useful information. Mainly the things we care about are how old does Google think the domain is. Over a year is good, preferably 3 to 4 years old, and older is even better. So if you can shoot for 3 to 4 years old, that's really a good sweet spot. Page rank 3 and up is really good, and then of course the more pages indexed and the more links, generally the better. But the biggest, most important thing we want to do, and the real power of this tool, is clicking this down arrow and right here the PR analysis of the links. So these 40 links or 39 links that point to this site, we want to know what their PR is, and we can even do an anchor text analysis. But I'm really just concerned about the PR analysis for buying these type of domains. So I'm going to click on this button, and we will let the Market Samurai run. You can see how fast it's bringing back these results. It's usually very fast, and wow, this is quite outstanding. I'm going to bring the screen over here. You can see it found 30 links, and it tells you what the page rank of those links. 16 are zeros, 0 page rank 1 links, 2 page rank 2s, 0 3s, 0 4s, and 12 page rank 5 links. Now what that probably was is a site-wide link on a blog, which is exactly what it looks like here. This is all the same domain, so they must have a site-wide link in this blog's link roll or blog roll. We've got 2 good PR2 links here as well from 2 different domains, which is very good. I like to see multiple different domains. And then Digital Filipino Blogspot and digitalfilipino.com. Obviously some relation there. Maybe the previous owner was building up some links. But you got a number of different links in the PR0, and you got a number of PR5 links, even though they're all from the same site. So this looks to be a pretty solid and legitimately PR4 ranked site. So looking back on it, I would have no problem paying up to $50, maybe even $60 for this domain especially if it was in a market that I was going after. This is a technology about how internet addresses work, IP version 6. So I don't currently have anything in that market, but if I did have something in that market, I'd probably pay up to $75 for a PR4, legitimately ranked PR4 site with these kind of links. Something not in my market, probably the $30 to $50 range. I know in the last video I said usually a PR3 site you can get for $30. So PR4s usually have to pay anywhere from $40 to $75. So this one is not in a market that I'm in, so I would have no problem paying up to $50 because it has a pretty solid link network that you would be buying, and then of course create your own content, put a site back up on there. So you can see how fast that Market Samurai works. If I wanted to know what the anchor text of these links pointing, I could use that anchor text analysis button. As you can see here, I could see the Google Trends, I could see the Whois information. I talked a little bit about that in a free video. You can go to search Google for Whois domain tools and figure out who currently owns this before it expires, and then contact them to see about purchasing it. But since this was on Digital Point, obviously someone owns it and is wanting to sell it, and I can export this data to an Excel file, Microsoft Excel. So very handy, huge time-saving features for Market Samurai. You noticed how long it took me to do using the free method, so clearly this software has saved me a ton of time, and for me it was highly worth the price, but I will leave that decision up to you. And again, I do not have an affiliate link, so I don't get paid anything if you buy the Market Samurai software. That's how you evaluate and determine what you should pay for an age domain. And you definitely want to buy age domains when you're building up your mini network to rank better in Google for your chosen keywords. So this is Alexander. I'm going to wrap up this video now.